Today we're diving into the world of digital nomads.
As promised, I've taken you here to Ottawa.
For a country like Canada, that's topping the charts for digital nomads. And that means if you are a remote worker, freelancer, or probably just someone who is itching for a change, then this video is for you. Digital nomads processing time at 0 to 2 months. Digital nomads do not need a work visa to work remotely from Canada. You can visit for up to 6 months at a time. Choose this option if you work for an employer outside of Canada, can do your job remotely, and you want to experience the Canadian lifestyle. And this is the second piece of evidence. Okay, have a look over here. Now you have to focus on the actual wording of the Canadian government. So they're saying they are promoting, okay? It's not that you are allowed to come to Canada. They are actually encouraging digital nomads to come to Canada. A digital nomad is a person who can perform their job remotely from anywhere in the world. You can also engage Canadian employers with you. If that's the case, for example, you end up getting a job offer from Canada, then you can apply for a work permit. So that's how, as a digital nomad, you can also bring Canadian employers on the table and, perform your services. Now, that's a win-win situation for both of you because Canada wants the top talent from all around the world. And essentially, that's your golden ticket to legally work in Canada while living or traveling in Canada. And now, how do you establish that you are a digital nomad to the Canadian government? So for that, you will need to submit 2 pieces of crucial evidence in order for them to recognize you as a digital nomad. So first thing will be income generation, that you are on the company's payroll. And second piece of evidence will be for your employer to issue you an employment letter. So in this video, we've pretty much talked about what a digital nomad is, what are the documents you have to prepare at your end in order for a Canadian government to recognize you. And in the next video, I will cover your actual landing into Canada on a visitor's visa, because even if you are looking to enter Canada as a digital nomad, you still need a visitor visa to land in Canada as a digital nomad. How do you get that visitor visa? What are the requirements? What are the essential documents you have to submit with your application? We will cover that part in our next video. For more information, you can subscribe our channel and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.